Okay, this is a video explaining how to add the data analytics tool into your Excel and then how to just do a problem here in our homework. So it asks us to download the employee data Excel, which I already have over here. So I've already downloaded that. Then let's flip back to it. Then it says you'll need to have the analysis ToolPak add-in installed in your Excel. So I did not have that originally. So if you go up here to File, and then you go down into Options, and then there's Add-ins. So when you go to the Add-ins, you would pick this Analysis ToolPak. Again, though, I think I already have it. That's why it's active. But so then you would pick it and say, okay. See, I guess it's already going to put in. Let me see if let's see if because I feel like there was one extra step. So let's see if I add in something else. Let's say I add in this one. And I say, okay. I guess it does. And let's just see if it's there. I thought there was one more thing it asked you to do. But, yeah, so see, I still think there is. Oh, here, sorry. You have to just hit go. So then you click go, and then you'd say, okay, I want to add that in. So the analysis ToolPak, I guess I'll just add this one in too while I'm doing it. And then say, okay. And then it's going to go in. So then if you go back to your data tab, it's going to pop up over here in your analysis. So we've got data analysis. So again, go into File, Options, Add-ins, select it, and then hit go. And then it'll go through. So that's how you get it in. So then now we take this data, and let's go back to the problem now that we have the right package installed. And it says, okay, so from the Excel ribbon, select data and data analysis. And then from the pop-up window, choose descriptive statistics and click OK. So we go back over there. So we're going to click data analysis and then descriptive statistics and say OK. Then it wants us to pick the input range. So if we click on this, what the problem wants us to do is the salary. So the salary is in this other tab. So this gave us statistics. This gives us the regression. This is the actual tab of data. So we're going to start with the salary, go all the way down. So highlight and drag down to the bottom. Okay, and then select that. So you can just click the arrow to make it all go in there. Say that your label has the first row, or that your label is in the first row. Because if we go back in there, it is. So our salary is in the first row. So collect that, check that box. We can put it into a new workbook. And then you want to click, these were choices. So if we go back to the problem, it tells us to select the salary input range, check the box for the labels, choose the new worksheet, and click Summary Statistics. So then if we go back there, that's what I have checked. And then you say, OK. And then it creates a new table. And it gives us the mean. And so if we go back to the problem, we're going to fill those in. So the mean salary, again, is given to us. I wonder if I can make this. Be nice if I could have these both on the same screen as I'm recording, but maybe not. Okay, so anyhow, we'll go back. So our mean salary is $34,419.57. So then we would come over to our Excel and then type that in. Our median salary, maybe I could copy and paste. Let's see if I can do that. Our median salary, if I copy that, let's see if I can paste it over into. Yay, okay, so that works. All right, so then we can just copy and paste between the two of them. Whoops, wrong spreadsheet. Now I lost track of which one I was going for. Then the next one is the minimum salary. So again, go back over there, grab the minimum, copy, move over back to your My Business course, paste it in, then go back to the problem, and it wants maximum. So then go back to our spreadsheet, copy the maximum, put that in, and then our number of salary observations is going to be 474. And then we got them all right, and we're good. So that kind of shows you how to take some data and do some just basic statistical summaries. So hopefully that kind of helps do that, and also shows you how to add in that data analysis ToolPak.